Okay, y'all. What a day, what a day, what a day. Yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know something. I'm trying to be very cautious of where I walk. We were taking and getting the landscape fabric over here, and we found out the snake that my son killed was a copperhead. He was under the fabric. We were out here trying to get landscape fabric down so we can move the greenhouse over here. And now let me show y'all on the beds, okay? Yes, I've been taking beds up. That's the only one that we could save, is that one. Everything else is rotten. So the beds are up. Kind of let y'all see. We got so hot out here working on this, so we started working over here because the grass in that was so bad till we've got to, you know, he may have to take and run the tiller over and just to knock that down so that I can spread it. Some of it we did get spreaded, some of it we didn't, but we have been working, guys. But on to the freaking snake over here. The snake was it is a copperhead. You guys, be careful when you move something, because I'm gonna tell you something. Being so hot, these snakes are trying to find anywhere they can get cool. But just wanted to let you guys know that we were working, but we had to stop because had to kill snakes, and it's kind of dangerous out here. We're gonna try to get out here early in the morning and cut the grass down low and put some snake away out, and I also have some spray. We're gonna put that out too, y'all. I've been watching for snakes. It's just seeing that one. I had to stand and watch a snake so he wouldn't move while my son got the hoe so he could kill it. Guys, I did put the marigolds in here and the banana tree in there. But just letting you guys know, be safe out there, because these snakes are trying to find places to get cool. So I'm gonna take this here up and I'm gonna use that as in a bed out there. But all the wood, I took it up, we set it over there by the shop. I mean, it can be, the bad parts can be cut off and maybe kind of repurpose it for something, use it for something. But we did, it's stuck over there for right now. But as you guys can see, we were taking beds up, but kind of got me thinking, okay, there's got to be a mama somewhere. But my son pulled the other piece from over there, looking under it and looking under 10, and he's like, mama, it's hot. I said, yeah, it's still hot. So we're gonna take and go in and try to get some stuff done in the morning. But I will be taking this and put it out there. So I do have 2 beds. I may have to see what I can do to make some more beds out there. But just be safe out there, guys. I love you. God bless. And stay safe.